Welcome. In this meditation, we'll gently balance all 7 chakras, helping you feel more grounded, emotionally clear, confident, open, and connected. We'll begin at the base of the spine and slowly move upward through each chakra. Make yourself comfortable, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. And gently breathe out. Take another slow breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth slowly this time. Allow your breathing to become calm and steady. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Soften your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. Feel the tension beginning to leave your body. Let your arms and hands become loose and heavy. And allow your legs and feet to relax. With every breath out, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Your breathing is slowing down. Your body is becoming still. And your mind is beginning to settle. Take one more slow breath in. And as you breathe out, let go of any remaining tension. Now, bring your attention to the base of your spine. Imagine a soft red light glowing there. As you breathe in, feel the red light gently expanding. As you breathe out, feel yourself becoming more grounded and supported. You are safe in this moment. You are supported. Now move your attention to the lower abdomen, just below your belly button. Imagine a warm orange light glowing there. As you breathe in, feel the orange light gently expanding. As you breathe out, feel this area becoming more open and relaxed. Your emotions are safe to feel. You are allowed to enjoy your life. You are open to creativity, pleasure, and joy. Now slowly bring your attention to the area above your belly button. Imagine a warm yellow light glowing there. As you breathe in, feel the yellow light growing brighter. As you breathe out, feel the calm sense of confidence and strength. You trust yourself. Your inner strength is calm and steady. Now slowly move your attention to the center of your chest. Imagine a soft green light glowing there. As you breathe in, feel the green light spreading through your chest. As you breathe out, feel your heart becoming softer and more open. You are worthy of love. You're open to giving and receiving love. You can offer yourself the same kindness you give to others. Now bring your attention to your throat. Imagine a clear blue light glowing there. As you breathe in, feel this blue light gently expanding. As you breathe out, feel your throat becoming relaxed and open. Your voice matters. You are allowed to express yourself honestly. It is safe for you to be heard. Now move your attention to the space between your eyebrows. Imagine a deep indigo light glowing there. As you breathe in, feel the indigo light becoming brighter. As you breathe out, feel your mind becoming quiet and clear. You trust your inner wisdom. You are able to see beyond fear and overthinking. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a soft violet or white light glowing there. As you breathe in, feel the light gently opening above you. As you breathe out, feel a sense of peace and connection moving through your body. You are connected to life, you are open to guidance, and you are supported. Take a slow breath in, and as you breathe out, release any tension you no longer need to carry. Slowly bring your attention back inside your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and gently open your eyes.